Hey, Bone X family, watch this. What if you spend 1 week in a zombie apocalypse? Day 1. Everything feels normal until you hear distant screams and chaos outside. You check your phone, but there is no signal, no internet, nothing. And that's when it hits you. This is real. Day 2. Food becomes your biggest problem. You start searching nearby houses. Every door you open feels like a gamble. And somehow you realize snacks are suddenly more valuable than money. This is not a movie. I made this using AI. And the crazy part is, you can create videos just like this too. No expensive tools, no advanced skills, and everything I use is completely free. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how I create these viral cinematic skeleton videos from idea to final result. So make sure you watch till the end, because I'm going to reveal everything. So let's start the video. Look, I asked ChatGPT to give me some high viral potential ideas for my skeleton videos, and from those ideas, I chose the zombie apocalypse. Then I wrote this prompt: I like the zombie apocalypse. Make a full script on it. What if you spend 1 week in a zombie apocalypse? The script should start from day 1 and end at day 7. It needs to be highly engaging to keep audience retention high and also include some funny moments. Then I sent it to ChatGPT and boom, our script was ready in seconds. Now it's time to generate our audio for absolutely free. For that, we will use an app called Verbo. You can find it on the Play Store. As you can see, there are 3 options at the bottom. We will select AI Tools. Then we will select Text-to-Speech. Here you can get hundreds of super realistic AI voices, but it's not free. Calm down. I'll show you how to get it completely free. First, from the upper categories, select Male Voice. Scroll down, and you will find a character called Adam. This is the voice that I use for my videos. Select it, and paste the script that we generated from ChatGPT. Remove any extra spaces from the script for better audio. It may take a few seconds to generate your audio. Now, how do we get our audio for free? Do as I say. First, start screen recording. If your device does not support an inbuilt screen recorder, install one from the Play Store. After starting the recording, play the audio and record the whole script. Then go to a video to MP3 converter app, which you can also find on the Play Store, and convert the video into audio. And boom, your high-quality, super realistic, absolutely free audio is ready. Now comes to the editing part. I am using Filmora Mod APK. I'll share the Filmora Mod APK link in the description. So first, you have to select an image with a 9:16 ratio. Then tap on Audio, then tap on File, and then tap on Import from Files. Import our recorded audio and expand it to the full length. After that, remove the extra space from the audio as I do, so that our audio feels natural. Now, from our generated script, copy the first scene. Then go to ChatGPT and look what I typed here. Here you have to use your own creativity for your character look. Make your own unique character to look different, as I do, and see what I say to ChatGPT. Make an image prompt for this scene. The main character is a skeleton-like guy who wears an orange hoodie with black pants and white sneakers. His eyes are clearly visible like normal human eyes. He is sleeping on a bed. We can see a big window in that room with curtains up. On his side on the bed, his smartphone is there. The room has white-colored furniture. Generate the image in a cinematic style. Then send it to ChatGPT and copy that prompt. Now comes the image generation. For that, we will use Whisk AI, which is completely free. Here you can generate unlimited high-quality images. For that, go to the Chrome browser and type Whisk AI. Then open the second website and log in with your Google account. After logging in, tap on Enter Tools. Now tap on Add Images. In the subject section, press the plus icon and select your character image from your device, then upload it to the subject section. Now select the uploaded character image and you can generate a consistent character for your videos. Next, paste your prompt from ChatGPT and set the aspect ratio to 9:16. Then press the arrow and wait for the results. As you can see, the images look really good in full HD. You can generate as many images as you want here for absolutely free. Finally, download the image of your choice. Now it's time for the video generation, and for that we will use YouTube's own app called YT Create. And yes, it is completely free. And the best part is you can export your generated videos up to 4K resolution. You can install it from the Play Store. Now come to ChatGPT and look at what I typed here. Give me a video prompt that matches the image and our story, with a skeleton sleeping peacefully, and in the background through the window, there are shadows fighting, some zombie-like figures and some humans. Then send it to GPT and copy the prompt. Now go to the YT Create app, select Generate Video, then choose your generated image and paste the video prompt that we created from GPT. Wait for a few seconds. And boom, look at the result, how perfect it is. Then tap on the Use Video option and tap on the Download arrow in the top right corner. Select the video quality and FPS as per your preference. At this point, keep one thing in mind. If your device does not support 2K or 4K resolution, just go for 1080 or 720 pixels resolution. Don't worry, it is not bad. And one more thing, from this app you cannot generate videos in 16:9 ratio. This app is specially designed for short-style videos for now. Maybe it will support all types of videos in the future. Now come back to our point. After it's exported, click on the cancel icon and go to your gallery, where you can see your generated video. Now it's time to make the video even more cinematic. For that, come to the Filmora Mod APK and import your generated video. Then mute the audio of the imported video. Then cut around 1 second of the clip from the center and increase the speed of it to 5x and watch how it looks. Cool, right? And now do as I taught you for the rest of the video. First generate the image, then generate the video. Make it cinematic. Then add some SFX sounds at some point so it looks good. Now it's time for the caption generation. For that, we will use Instagram's own app called Edits. Install it and select your created video. Now you can see the CC option at the bottom. Tap on it and wait for a few seconds. Boom, your professional captions are ready. Now tap on the captions and tap on Edit, then tap on Highlight. Highlight the main words like Day 1, Day 2, etc. Now again tap on Captions, tap on Style, and select the caption style you want. You can find many different types of captions here. Now tap on the music icon and import the viral background music. And its name is Crystal Castles, Transgender. Do not download it from YouTube. Download it from the Chrome browser. Otherwise, you may get copyright. After importing your audio, adjust the volume of the background music and your final video is ready. Look at the result. What if you spend 1 week in a zombie apocalypse? Day 1. Everything feels normal until you hear distant screams and chaos outside. You check your phone, but there is no signal, no internet, nothing. And that's when it hits you. This is real. Wait. The video is not over yet. If you watched the video till the end, I have one special tip to make your video even one step ahead. Before I reveal it, listen to me. I have shared every tool and technique with you, so like this video, and if you can, please hype it. If you have any confusion or questions in your mind, tell me in the comments section. I'll answer it. So here is the special tip. With this tip, your voice will be more natural and professional. For that, go to Google Chrome and search Adobe Podcast. Tap on the first link, then click on Start Enhancing. Make sure to select V2. Then upload your audio, and the enhancement will start automatically. Wait for a few seconds, and your enhanced audio is ready. And now, I have to talk one-on-one with you. After your video is ready, compare your video with your competitors. Is it as good as their video or not? If it's not, try your hardest to make it just like your competitor. And thank you so much for watching.
Bye, have a great time.